Hello, today I'm going to show you how to inflate the ball. For example, this is a volleyball. We are going to use a 12 voltage portable mini air compressor that you have to plug in to the energy plug inside your car interior. Then switch the ignition on and let's have a look how it works. There it is. Push it on and off. This is the valve on top, and there is a switch to make it on and off, of course. So let's go. Now there it is. This is the ball, and we need the needle adapter. Push the needle adapter in position inside the head and then lock it. After this, push the needle inside the ball valve. Push it, and then you are going to push the on button on top of your pump. 12 voltage portable mini air compressor. Now, as you can feel, the air is flowing inside the ball, and on top of the machine there is a scale to reach, and you have to reach 0.4 bar. Then the ball is full enough, but you can touch this too. If it's hard enough for you, then stop the machine of inflating the air inside. That's enough. Now it's good. Switch off and extract the needle. Yeah. Hold it and extract it easily. And now, job's done. As you can see, the ball is jumping again. You can do this with a soccer ball too, or volleyball, or some other stuff of balls. Then unlock the needle adapter, extract it, and job's done. So easy it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.